Due to COVID-19, the immediate factors in the agricultural sector is being felt at Swakara, which cannot be, they cannot export pelts. At the dairy sector, where feedstuffs was stopped, spent grain couldn't be produced, so production went down. And especially in the trophy hunting and the on-farm tourism sector was severely hit by 100% cancellation of funds. Of clients. So that is the immediate impact. In the short term, in the medium term, there's very, very big uncertainty what is going to happen. In terms of our markets, the demand patterns are changing in South Africa, in the European Union. We as an agricultural sector are exporting 80% of the income which a farmer is receiving in the country. 80% of that product is being exported. So the export market is crucial for the agricultural survival. In terms of employment, as you directly ask, due to the fact that agriculture is an essential service and a critical essential service, which operations on farms are continuing. And even in the on-farm tourism and the trophy sector industry, farmers are doing all they can to contain any retrenchments, and are doing, because we need to understand there's huge diversification which took place with farmers taking on tourism to add to the income, taking on trophy hunting, and that sector have totally stopped. So farmers are doing what they can to prevent any retrenchments, and we need to focus on this to ensure that these farmers are which is heavily affected, are not forced in the next 4 to 6 weeks to reduce working shifts, to reduce salaries in terms of that. But the primary agricultural haven't yet lost any employment opportunities according to our information.